Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yenni Lestari. I'm the student of English Education Study Program at Universitas PGRI Wiranegara. And in this video, I want to explain you about consonant, especially s and z sound. Before that, I want to tell you about definition of consonant. Consonant is a speech sound produced by completely or partly stopping the air being breathed out through the mouth. And there are three parts of consonant. The first one is voicing. Voicing is a term used in phonetics and phonology to characterize speech sound. Voicings are divided into two parts. There are voiced and voiceless. Voiced is when we pronounce a letter, feel the vibration of our vocal cords. Then voiceless is when we pronounce a letter, it doesn't feel the vibration. You can tell if a sound is voiced or not by putting your hand gently on your throat. When you say a sound, if you feel vibration it is a voiced sound. On the contrary, if you doesn't feel a vibration, it is a voiceless sound. Then the second part is consonant is place of articulation. Place of articulation is usually named by using the Latin adjective for the active articulator, followed by Latin adjective for the passive articulator. There are 9 types of place of articulation. There are bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, postaveolar, retroflex, palatal, velar, and glottal. And the last is manner of articulation. The manner of articulation is the way the stream is affected as it flows from the lungs and out the nose and mouth. There are 6 parts of manner of articulation, namely stop, fricative, affricate, nasal, liquid, and glide. Well, now we learn about how to pronounce S and Z sound. S sounds is including voiceless sound. It is because when we pronounce it, we doesn't feel a vibration. Let's try to pronounce it and putting your hands gently on the throat. S, S, S. It doesn't feel vibration, right? So it's called voiceless sound. The example are hats, tops, and gloves. Then Z sound is including voiced sound. It is because when we pronounce it, we feel a vibration. Let's try to pronounce it and putting your hand gently on your throat. Z, Z, Z. It feels vibrations, right? So it's called voiced sound. The example are bats, moose, and clothes. For your information, S and Z sound is including in alveolar fricative because it is located in place articulation alveolar and manner of articulation fricative. I think that's all. I hope my explanation is easy to understand and can be practiced by you all. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!